In our pursuit of financial security, many of us wake up every day, dedicating ourselves to work and earning a decent living. However, reaching our financial goals can often feel challenging. Fortunately, by following a simple set of rules, we can embark on a journey towards financial success. So today, I'll take you to the secret rulebook to help you become financially secure. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Rule number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Budgeting plays a pivotal role in gaining financial security. It provides a clear overview of your income and expenses, enabling you to set your financial goals and strategize how to achieve them. There are various methods to track your money. Traditional approaches such as using pen and paper along with a calculator are still effective. Alternatively, numerous apps and websites can automatically generate personalized financial goals based on your current financial situation. These tools provide valuable insights into your spending habits, helping you make adjustments and allocate more towards saving and investments. Once you have a comprehensive understanding of your finances, you can set meaningful goals aligned with your priorities. These goals may include building an emergency fund, purchasing a dream home, or traveling the world. As you become more adept at budgeting and managing your finances, you will witness your bank balance grow, bringing you closer to financial security. Rule number 2, get paid what you're worth and spend less than you earn. To learn how much you're worth, it is crucial to conduct thorough research about yourself before accepting any job position. Understanding the market value of your position within and outside the company is essential. Additionally, evaluate your skill sets and consider the tasks you will be required to perform. By assessing your productivity level, contribution to the company, and going rate, you can ensure that you are adequately compensated for your job. Even a small price difference in pay can have a significant impact on your long-term finances. And equally important is the discipline of spending less than you earn. While this principle may seem simple, many people struggle to follow it consistently. However, with dedication and a desire to grow your bank account, it is possible to retrain your mind and mend frivolous spending habits. Distinguishing between needs and wants is a good starting point. Recognize that apart from essential items like food, clothing, and rent, most other purchases fall into the category of wants. By curbing excessive spending on non-essential items, you can achieve financial freedom more effectively than solely relying on increasing your income. Understanding what truly brings fulfillment into your life is another vital aspect. Apart from differentiating between needs and wants, it is crucial to identify wants that contribute to your overall well-being and those that do not. Allocate your resources to the things that elevate your life and save the rest. Regardless of your income, spending within your means is essential for long-term financial security. Rule number 3, pay off credit card debt. Credit card debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial security. Failing to pay off credit card debt in a timely manner can jeopardize your dream of financial stability. While credit cards offer convenience, it's essential to remember that the money being spent is real and will eventually need to be repaid. Debt poses a threat to financial security because it limits your ability to make the most out of your money. The funds tied up in debt could be better utilized elsewhere, such as investing in your child's education or contributing to your retirement savings. The sooner you free yourself from debt, the more you can allocate towards your financial freedom. Moreover, debt not only affects your financial situation, but it also takes a toll on your health. It increases stress levels as you constantly worry about making payments and saving enough to cover basic living expenses. We all know the negative impacts of stress on our mental well-being. Like, what's the point of spending money on expensive skin treatments when debt-induced stress can lead to more breakouts? Clearing all your debts will provide a sense of relief and peace of mind, knowing that you no longer owe anyone. You will only have your regular monthly expenses to manage, which is far less daunting than the burden of debt-related stress. Rule number 4, work on a retirement plan. If your employer offers a 401k plan or any other retirement program, consider contributing to it. The concept behind the 401k plan is that your employer will match a certain percentage of your contributions. While not all employers offer 401k plans, explore other retirement options they may provide, or consider investing in an individual retirement account or an IRA. While a 401k plan is advantageous for those who are employed, a Roth IRA is an excellent option for younger individuals. It involves contributing post-tax dollars, eliminating the need for immediate tax deduction. This means that when you withdraw money upon retiring, you won't have to pay a hefty tax burden. Starting a Roth IRA as early as possible can yield substantial long-term benefits, even if your initial investment amount is relatively small. The longer your money remains in the account, the more tax-free interest it can accumulate. When it comes to planning for retirement, the earlier you start, the better. While everyone's personalized goals for retirement savings may vary, the fundamental principles for achieving those goals remain largely the same. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, rule number 5, have a savings plan. Amidst all your financial obligations, it's crucial not to forget about yourself. A practical rule of thumb is to always pay yourself first. Simply paying your bills and saving whatever is left is a recipe for disaster. Why? Because it often leads to minimal savings. Before even considering your bills, set aside a certain percentage for yourself. You can even automate this process by having the amount deducted and transferred to a separate savings account. Preparing for the future is essential. But how can you do that without money set aside? Investing in a retirement account is crucial for long-term goals, and having regular investment goals can help you build wealth. Start this practice even if you don't have a significant amount to invest. Something is always better than nothing. By doing so, you'll establish a habit of investing, making it second nature when your income eventually grows. It's also important to have funds reserved for pursuing your passions, such as starting a business. Having a dedicated cash reserve for your passion allows you to take calculated risk while maintaining a sense of security. Opening a savings account and contributing to it monthly enables you to explore new opportunities to grow yourself, your mind, and of course, your financial status. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and at any given point, you could face job loss, natural disasters, or unforeseen expenses. That's why it's crucial to have money saved specifically for emergencies. These unexpected events can be physically and mentally draining, not to mention financially devastating if you're unprepared. By saving money dedicated to emergencies and overall saving money itself, you provide yourself a safety net and a sense of security to enjoy life without constant worry. Rule number 6, review your insurance. Many people end up paying more than necessary for their life insurance and disability insurance. This could include adding unnecessary coverages to car loans, purchasing whole life insurance policies instead of the more sensible term life policies, or buying life insurance when you don't even have dependents. Insurance is only beneficial if the coverage is adequate to handle the losses you may face. For those with dependents, thorough research is essential to ensure that you choose the best insurance policy for you and your loved ones. You want to ensure that they will be financially comfortable, even in your absence. Throughout your long life, your lifestyle and personal needs are bound to change. With these changes, you'll need to adjust the type of insurance coverage you have. It's crucial to regularly review your insurance plans to ensure they align with your current lifestyle. Whether it's buying a car, putting your child through school, or facing an unexpected medical emergency, having the appropriate insurance coverage is highly beneficial. Rule number 7, update your will. Surprisingly, only a small percentage of the population have a valid will. If you have dependents, having a will is extremely vital. It doesn't matter how much you have to give. A will is a necessity. If the idea of going to the lawyer's office to have your will drafted seems a bit daunting, well, technology is here to be your best friend. There are several software programs available online that can assist you in drafting your will. However, having a will is not a one-time task. It's easy to assume that your initial draft is sufficient enough and that your future is secure. But that's not the case. Just like your insurance plans, it requires regular review as your lifestyle changes. This same principle applies to your will. Make sure to add or remove items from your will as needed before it becomes set in stone. We all worry about our loved ones and we want to ensure that they have a safe and secure future. That's why a will is necessary. And more importantly, it's why you need to constantly update it. Your will indicates who receives what. And although there is a legal process for family members to contest if they haven't been given enough, it's time-consuming and expensive. So protect your loved ones by having a valid will that you regularly review, ensuring every person you care about receives the protection they need. Well, that's basically the secret rulebook to help you become financially secure. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.